Hello students, today we will learn about Windows 10 and its interesting features. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. It also manages the resources of a computer system and provides common services for other software. It keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, copy and storage of files. The first GUI edition of Windows featuring a new user interface was introduced in 1985 and was called Windows 1.0. Increased usage of technology and continuous research has led to the development of advanced editions of Windows, named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 10 being the latest version of Windows was released on July 29, 2015. Students, do you know that Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft and one of the richest men in the world? Students, let us first discuss about the features of Windows 10. Windows 10 is becoming popular day by day because of its new features and improved user-friendly environment. Some of the most striking features of Windows 10 are as follows. It is easy to use, more interactive, and the most secured version of Windows. It is much more personal and provides you with the ability to redecorate your desktop with new backgrounds, themes, colors, and icons. The enhanced search tool, Cortana, enables you to search anything on your system or the web directly. It lets you play music, videos, write notes, set alarms and reminders, perform calculations, send emails, change wallpapers, and a lot more through voice commands. The application Windows Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, music, movies, photos, maps, messaging, mail, calendar, etc. Windows 10 enables you to manage your desktop and Windows in a better way. You can create multiple desktops for different set of applications by using the Task View button. Snap assists in a useful feature that helps you to rearrange your windows to make best use of your screen space. When you snap one of the opened windows to the left or the right edge of the screen, Snap Assist displays thumbnails of other opened apps that can be snapped in the unused space. You can use both the windows at the same time simultaneously. The Windows Hello feature allows you to access your computer by showing your face, fingerprints, or iris. It provides extra security to your system. Students, let's know more. The Snap feature allows you to drag and drop a window to a corner of the screen, thereby making space for other applications' desktop. The word desktop is derived from the real-world desktop, the top of our study or working table, where you may find pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows serves the same purpose. Here you can find various icons, small pictures, representing files, folders and applications, etc. Students, let's know more. The Arrow Shake feature of Windows 10 allows you to minimize all the open windows except the one you want to work on. Click the title bar of the window you want to work on and shake it while holding the mouse button. To restore the minimized windows, click and shake the window again. Okay students, let me tell you about Taskbar. You will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. It displays the Start button on the extreme left side. Next to the Start button is the search box, which facilitates browsing both your computer and the web. To the right of the search box is the Task View button, which allows you to create multiple desktops at the same time. The middle area of the taskbar contains the opened and frequently used apps. You can pin the desired apps to the taskbar by dragging the app's shortcuts from the desktop or Start menu. If an application is open, you will see a bar below its icon. Taskbar holds the notification area on the right side, which includes a clock and a group of icons. These icons display the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. Example, network connectivity, battery status, volume, OneDrive, etc. You can tap the notifications button to display the vertical bar of Action Center on the right side of the desktop. Students, let's know more. The peek button at the right end of the taskbar makes your open windows transparent so that you may see your desktop. Okay students, let me now tell you about the icons. Icons are small pictures that represents files, folders and apps. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface GUI. Let us learn about some of the commonly used icons. This PC gives you a view of available drives and their content stored on the computer system. Double-clicking on any drive icon will display the files and folders contained in that drive. Application icons. These are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icons. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document, or a folder. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. Document icons. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon, which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon again. Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network environment. Recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files or folders. These deleted files or folders can either be restored to the original location or permanently deleted from the system. Students, let's quickly view. Press Windows plus left or right arrow key combination to snap a window to the left or right side. Out Start menu. The Start menu in Windows 10 is a blend of old menu found in Windows 7 and Start screen in Windows 8. When you click on the Start button at the bottom left of the screen, you get two panels side by side. The left column displays the pinned, recently added and most used apps. The right column displays a section of live tiles that you can customize, resize and reorganize. Students, let's know more. The power button in the Start menu enables you to put your computer to sleep, shut down or restart as required. Students, let us now talk about live tiles. Windows 10 displays the most popular universal apps in the form of resizable live tiles in the right pane of the Start menu. These tiles display latest updates and information such as news, weather report, incoming mails, etc. without opening the app. You can rearrange, resize and move these tiles according to your requirement. Students, let us understand how to pin tiles to Start. Click on the Start button. Right-click on the app that you want to add to the Start menu. Select the option Pin to Start. The selected app is displayed in the right pane in the form of a tile. Let me give you a tip. You can also drag the app and drop it in the tiles area to display it in the right pane of the Start menu. Resizing tiles. You can also resize the tiles according to your choice. Tiles are generally available in 4 different sizes: small, medium, wide and large. To resize a tile, follow the given steps. Right-click on the tile and select the option Resize. Select the size of your choice. Moving and grouping. You can move a tile to any place in the Start menu just by dragging it to the desired position. Tiles can also be combined to form a group. Follow the given steps to create a group of tiles. Drag a tile to the bottom of the right pane in the Start menu. A transparent horizontal bar appears with heading Name Group on the left side and 2 small horizontal lines on the right. Click on Name Group and add a name. Now you can add the relevant tiles in this group. To move a whole group of tiles, drag the 2 small lines to the desired position. Turn off live tiles. Windows 10 allows you to disable a live tile so that it stops giving live updates and changes into a static icon. To do so, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Right-click on a tile. Select the More option and choose Turn Live Tile Off option from the sub-menu. We'll talk about Universal Apps of Windows 10. Universal Apps is an integral part of the Windows 10 store. As the name suggests, these are apps that work on all device sizes from phones to high-powered desktop PCs. Windows 10 provides us with a bundle of built-in apps like Photos, Maps, Mail, Alarms and Clock, and Calendar, etc. You can find and use these apps from the All Apps option in the Start menu. Some of the most useful apps are Photos. The Photos app collects and organizes all your photos and videos from your PC and other devices at one place. Weather. This app provides you with reliable forecast, weather conditions, real-time rain alerts, and the minimum or maximum temperature of your favorite locations at a glance. Mail. This app allows you to manage all your mail accounts at one place. It notifies you about incoming mails, allows you to read a mail and respond back to a sender. To use this app, you need to sign in with your account. Students, let me explain you how to customize the desktop. Windows is quite flexible and provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Follow the given steps to change the color scheme of the computer screen. Right-click on the blank area of desktop and select the Personalize option. The personalization window appears. Click on the Colors option from the left pane. Select any color from the Choose Your Accent Color section to change the color scheme of Start menu and other windows. A preview of the selected color scheme will appear in the Preview section. If you want the accent color to match your desktop wallpaper, turn on the Automatically Pick an Accent Color from My Background option. Turn on the Show Color on Start, Taskbar, Action Center and Title Bar option to apply the same colors to these components of the desktop. To apply transparent effect, turn on the Make Start, Taskbar and Action Center Transparent option. The color scheme will be applied to your desktop. Students, let's know more. Action Center displays alerts from your device and all your apps just like the notification panel of your smartphone. You can get quick access to various settings such as adjust your screen brightness, turn Bluetooth on or off, and more. Press Windows +8 to understand how to display multiple windows at a time. In Windows 10, we can display multiple application windows side by side. Let us see how it works. First, open Word 2016 and PowerPoint 2016. Now, right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Windows Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Students, please note, it is better to open only two windows simultaneously in order to work in them. Alright students, I will now explain how to explore pictures. In Pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images and graphic files. To open this folder, click on the Start button and then click on the arrow next to the File Explorer option. Select the Pictures option from the right pane. The Pictures folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnails along with the camera roll and Saved Pictures folder. Here you can also view the picture icons in various sizes. Select the View tab and click the desired option from the Layout group to define the thumbnail size of the picture. Select any picture and double-click on it. The picture gets opened in the Photos tab. You will find various buttons at the top right corner of the window that helps in editing and managing the pictures. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Windows Store provides a bundle of updated apps including videos, music, movies, photos, maps, messaging, mail, calendar, etc. The Windows Hello feature allows you to access your computer by showing your face, fingerprints or iris. Icons are small pictures that represent files, folders, and programs. Universal apps are the built-in apps of Windows 10 like Photos, Maps, Mails, Alarms and Calendar, etc. Live tiles display latest updates and information such as news, weather report, etc. without opening the app.